My name is Dave with Peak Safety Performance. We help companies reduce risk and improve safety performance so that they can avoid tragedies such as this story that the AP News reported on May 14, 2021. A woman died in an industrial accident at a mattress manufacturing plant, according to police. Police were told the woman was standing by a machine and got pulled in. The woman was not identified, but police say she was in her 50s. The officer said the woman was already dead by the time first responders were able to extricate her from the machine. He said there is video of the event which will be examined, but said her death appears to be accidental. The plant shut down manufacturing at the location pending an investigation. Our thoughts and prayers are with her family, the company said in a statement. We ask that everyone please respect their privacy at this difficult time. Unfortunately, there is the potential for tragic accidents like this in many workplaces. Companies can reduce the risk in their work environment with comprehensive peak safety performance assessments based on OSHA standards and guidelines. Call Peak if you need assistance.